Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today is the day 7 of 10 days of one pan recipes and we are going to make one pot ravioli dish. If you like this recipe, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see the rest of the 10 days of one pan recipes.
Check out all the ingredients on the right side and I'm going to cook one of the easiest and fastest recipes. To begin with, heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomato along with the sun-dried tomato oil. This is one of my favorite ingredients that gives heaps of flavors. Add finely chopped garlic and let this cook for about a minute. Add finely chopped onion and let the onion cook for about 5 minutes until softened. Then add 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. Cook for about 5 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and started to open up. Next, add uncooked ravioli. I am using chicken and garlic ravioli today. Add half a cup of chicken stock and half a cup of thickened cream. Salt and pepper to taste. Give this all a good mix until everything combines well. As we added uncooked ravioli, we need more liquid to cook this. So add half a cup of water and let this simmer for about 10 minutes or until the ravioli is soft and ready. Once the ravioli is cooked, add spinach and give this a toss to wilt the spinach. Our last ingredient is Parmesan cheese. Allow the cheese to melt and our creamy ravioli with spinach is ready. This is my day 7 one-pot meal. If you haven't already, take a peek at my last 6 one-pot meal creations. Check the links below. See you next time with another one-pot recipe.